Hi everyone, I'm Swapna. Now today's topic is Classic versus Lightning. Let's see the question on Classic versus Lightning. And before going for the question, take a pause, think on the question that can come up during the interview on Classic versus Lightning. Now, let's say company is using the Classic. They are using the Classic org. Now the question is, what are consideration must be made while migrating Classic org to, that means Classic org with Visualforce pages to Lightning. Thank you.